I'm not sure what I'm doing right now, but I just wanted to sit down and talk about stuff. Currently, it's July 25, and it's a Saturday. Wala lang, I'm just contemplating right now on life. And then, another thing, I don't know, I'm just happy right now kasi I'm back to reading. You know, I just do it. I just enjoy my time. Tapos imagine being blessed na pagod ka kasi you enjoy the things that you're doing. Napagod ka sa mga bagay na ginagawa mo na nag-enjoy ka. Right now, I'm rereading actually.
Naka-on na to.
Wait lang.
I-vlog naman to eh.
So, we're currently in fully booked. And he's gonna buy books again. Yay, which is so exciting. What are you getting?
The Troop.
Wait mo, show them. And
then The Butcher.
see, horror na naman.
Yun lang nagagano yung eyes ko. I-effect mo nga dito na nagtutwinkle yung eyes ko.
Pag horror. Sige.
Nagtutwinkle yung eyes ko.
Okay. Ayan. So, take note, fully booked. Char. Baka naman, right now medyo I'm struggling kasi I miss reading physical books and I enjoy naman reading in Kobo, so books, I miss ko yung touch of a physical book. Yun yung amats. Okay, so Hubs is making me decide if he's gonna get The Butcher. Parang masaya.
So which is which?
Ito kasi parang nagka-camp. Parang camping, which is fun. Po. Huwag na akong pahirapan. Yeah.
Parang ang dami nangyayari.
Yeah. Ayoko yung
Gusto ko yung mga ganito lang like.
mga minimal designs. Yeah. Ano yun? Do you enjoy the original design of the book or yung adaptation na TV series, movie adaptation? Kasi ako, I don't like that. So, ano yan? Show them what you're planning on buying.
Ito, Sunrise.
Of course, it's a yes. I would 100% recommend it. Wait lang. Hanap tayo ng paperback. So, ano yung rating nito? This one.
Parang 3 point something.
3.8.
Yung sa The Lamb, 3.89. Pagdating dun sa The Butcher,
Drum roll, please.
Witcher got a score of... Tagal ng net. Parang 4 point something.
Yeah.
4.05. So I guess Butcher na.
Butcher wins. Yay, he's gonna buy a book. Fun. Ako, I'm gonna buy a bookmark. Bookmark lang. Bookmark lang muna tayo kasi we're still using the Kobo. Good luck on your way to hell. Okay. So we're currently waiting in Din Tai Fung kasi Hubs is craving for Xiaolongbao.
Kasi it's a Saturday
Okay.
and we're bored.
Yeah. Nag-board exam ka na. We're just waiting for the queue. Which is an hour daw. So, tapos na yung reviewer. Ano na siya. So, earlier, we went to MCAD.
Yeah. MCAD.
For, ano yung pangalan ng art gallery?
For the arts. Swedish.
Yeah.
From
Switzerland.
Sweden.
Ah, okay. Wala kasing S. Ayun. Very interactive yung mga installations nila and ang dami mo lang kalaban dun sa dun sa isang part, yung sa tunnel.
Hindi nga siya part. Actually, yung pumipila yung mga tao is parang hindi siya part of the exhibit.
Yung tunnel.
Lagusan, tapos yung ilaw.
Tsaka, yung parang mist.
Ayun.
Yun, maganda yun. Yeah. Pero yung pinuntahan ng mga tao is yung frame. Ano yung tanong mo?
Are we good? Are we not?
Kasi,
Paano nagtitip pa?
wala ka ba willing to wait? What happened?
Yung wait lang guys.
Sige, pag in 15 minutes, hindi umangat ng 1,200.
Sige.
Let's go. Uy, si Caitlin Clark. Gusto ni Mama. Tulungan ko na kaya sa queuing sila ate. Dayain ko. Ako yung mag-announce. Number 34. Alam mo, at this point, gagamitin ko. O si dalawa na yung tinatawag nila. It means, dumadami na yung opening. What if mang-interview ako ng mga lalabas na Nike? Kapit na, patience. Kanta ka muna nung kinakanta ni Stormy. Patience, patience.
Huh?
Okay, so, ayun. Mamaya na ulit.
Well,
Kasi nababad trip na ako. Okay, so we're gonna do a taste test of the Mo Coffee. Anong tawag doon? Soft serve.
softies.
Softies pala. Hindi nga, what's your rating?
Mga, 8.
Wow. Up. Surprise! We're inside DTF na. We were able to surpass the millions of people on queue. Charot. Ayan. Yay! We're gonna have, ano yan? Xiaolongbao. Finally. Just wanna talk about, us getting in. Nag-update. Anyway. So busy naman. Say hi!
Excited lang kumain. Ha?
Okay. Okay, so the Xiaolongbao is here. Yay! We're gonna eat. And the wonton noodles. Okay. Ay, wait. Bago makakain ang person, daming ceremonies. Ay, mainit pa siya. Kasi mainit siya. Then you're gonna dip. So once it's soaked, I'm gonna eat it. Okay. Will you show din. Ay, bilis. May difference ng siomai and wonton. Meron ba? Kasi parehas lang naman sila in my eyes, so... Anyway. Gusto ko yung brothy. Broth.
Naman ng toyo.
Ng toyo? Check. Yeah.
Hindi, like...
Gusto ko ng brothy sauce. Ito na yun. Masarap naman. Alam mo yung parang sa Chowking na soup. Parang ganun. So we're now on the final stage. Char. So kanina, yeah. Thank you. So kanina, story time. Manager approached us for our feedback sa entire experience. Tapos yung isa dito, yung kasama ko, nagbibigay pala siya ng feedback niya. Ako naman, todo chika dun sa manager. Kasi yung manager, di siya pinapakinggan. Ang dami niyang sinabi, tapos di siya pinakinggan. So, ayun, naghihimotok yung kasama ko dito. Kasi gusto daw niya magbigay ng feedback.
Pakinggan. Pati ba naman dito?
Pakinggan mo na. Ay, sabihin mo na yung ano.
Ano ba?
Thoughts.
Thoughts?
Kamusta yung experience?
Wag na. Invalid naman. Baka yung mga viewer hindi rin pakikinggan.
Pakinggan ka nila.
Wala. Ano ba?
Yan. Hanggang natin yung puputok. Huwag yung pumutok sa akin. With salted, ano yun? Salted, rock salt.
Salt and rock. Rock and the salt.
I really like it. Kasi ang sarap niya talaga. Yung pag pumutok sa bibig mo, parang... Okay, now for the last bite. For the last...
Ito man yung rock salt.
Look, parang yung sa Disney. Ano yun? Yung sa Disney na short animated, yung Xiaolong Bao. So, I'm gonna eat you. Char. Okay, so hey guys. We're gonna... Wait, tumaalog. We're gonna try the new Starbucks drink, which is, ano yun? Strawberry Freeze Lemonade Cold Brew. So, ito na siya.
Hindi niya gusto.
Isa lang. Isang sip lang. Hindi ka naman nag-sip eh.
Sip.
Pero masarap. Nandun yung hint ng strawberry. Okay, let's try the upper portion. Baka iba naman kasi yung lasa dito. Ay, oo nga. Nasa taas yung lemonade. Nasa baba yung cold brew. I like the orange cold brew. So baka ganun din to. Sarap naman. Oh yeah, sumasarap na siya. Okay, so we're gonna unbox yung mini Dakus. This one. Go, pakita mo kung ano yung gusto mong makuha.
So, yung gusto ko makuha is yung traffic. Yung traffic ko. Kita niyo ba? Ayan. Lucky Bush.
Lush Bush?
Lucky Bush. Yun yung basa ko agad eh. Ayan. Yun lang.
Akit kayo ng
Sige.
Okay. Go. Hindi mo makikita. You can't.
Ay, nakuha ko yung 3 duckling.
And you have the pedestrian. Ang cute! Next.
Ito naman medyo happy. Happy Daku.
Ako, I want everything except the graffiti artist. Ito. I don't like that. Anyway. Okay lang din kung yung trash bags. Get the card.
I'll get the card. Okay guys. Ito yung nakuha niya. Sa blind box. Sige. Oh my gosh. Anyway. Okay, buksan niya na.
Exciting! Ano to? Ay! Ba't parang kulang? Ay, ito pala yung pangatlo! Oh my gosh! Ang cute! Look. Ina-pull niya. Cutie! Okay. And this is mine again. With the fire hydrant. Ang cute! May water pa oh. Anyway. Yun lang. Okay, so now we're going home. We agreed na we're gonna listen to Petal. Petal. Yeah. Ngayon talaga pag 37 ka na.
Uy! Grabe siya.
Ay, joke lang.
27.
Okay, 27 pala. So ayun, nasa escalator pa rin kami. Yeah, 7 kasi sa taas pa tayo kanina eh.
Halos isa lang yung uwian muna natin.
Yeah. Yee, gusto niya akong kasama. As a 33-year-old.
Uy, grabe ka sa 33.
Ay, kung tadyakan kita. German ka. Oo nga na, may last piece. Doon ba? Like shadows on the moon, it's all bad news. Yeah, I need to really my fortune. I'll give me a heart to be on the
Ano po yun? Nadaan naman, papadaan mo lahat ng mga pedestrian.
So nakita niyo na guys kung paano siya
Ay, sorry.
mag-road rage.
Guys. Kasi naman.
So, hey guys. So we're back home. And we're just chilling kasi it's a Sunday. And I'm just watching Emma Chamberlain's vlog. And then Hubs is sleeping. So yeah, he's just resting right now. I'm just contemplating na it's Sunday and it's Monday na naman tomorrow. Ang bilis ng weekend. And, you know, it sucks kasi papasok na naman tomorrow. You know, you have to go through with it and do it all over again for another week. I can't believe we're gonna do this for the rest of our lives, but you know. Yeah. This will be part of the new vlog. Thank you guys for watching this vlog. I hope you guys were entertained enough. Okay, like and subscribe. See you on the next one.